Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Tinder algorithm on your phone using tips shared by Reddit user. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First, update your profile photos. Reddit user recommend using clear, high quality picture where your face is visible. Avoid group photos for your main picture and add 3 to 5 photos showing your personality. Tap on your profile. Next, improve your bio. Keep it short, fun and interesting. Reddit suggests mentioning hobbies, interests, or a funny line. A good bio signals to Tinder that your profile is active and engaging. Then be active daily, swipe regularly, like profiles carefully, and respond to matches quickly. Reddit user says active boost your visibility is the algorithm, so Tinder shows your profile to more people. Another tip is to avoid spamming behavior. Don't swipe right on everyone or send repeated messages. This can hurt your score in the algorithm. Reddit recommends swiping selectively and messaging genuinely. Finally, try a boost or top picks. Reddit users report that using boost or being featured in top picks temporarily improves algorithm performance and gets your profile seen by more people. And that's it. Updated photos and bios, stay active, swipe smart, and consider boost. Following these Reddit back tips can help you find Tinder algorithm and get more matches on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.